Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make garbanzo hummus. Start by rinsing and draining cooked garbanzo beans, then add tahini, lemon juice, garlic, olive oil, and salt to a food processor. Blend until smooth, pausing to scrape sides, and add reserved bean liquid or water to reach your desired creamy texture. Taste and adjust lemon or salt, and chill briefly for flavors to marry before serving with a drizzle of olive oil. Try simple flavor variations to keep hummus interesting. Roast red peppers and blend them in for a smoky, sweet version, or add cumin, smoked paprika, or a pinch of cayenne for warmth and depth. For a fresh twist, fold in chopped parsley or cilantro after blending, and finish with lemon zest. These small additions change the profile dramatically and make hummus that fits any snack, sandwich, or party platter with ease and flair. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. A book that changed how I think about money is The Simple Path to Wealth, and it pairs oddly well with meal planning and budgeting for groceries, so think of it as a twofer. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Texture matters for great hummus, so choose your tools and technique carefully. A high-speed blender or a powerful food processor whips beans into a luxuriously smooth paste, while peeling the skins from each bean gives the silkiest result if you want up the ante. Control thickness by adding reserved bean liquid, olive oil, or a splash of water while blending, and stop to taste often so you get exactly the mouthfeel you enjoy.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.